Question 10. The point A, B, and C all lie on a circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. We need to show that n equals 6. These are the coordinates and n is here. Here are the points on the circle. This is A and that's B. B is n minus 2 and A is minus 2, 4. C is 5, 5. From the property of a circle, if you draw a line from the diameter, the line segment, from the two end of the diameter to any part of the circumference, the angle it made is right angle. So this angle here is right angle. That means 90 degree. AC is perpendicular to BC. So if we call the line AC, that one, as normal, and BC, which is perpendicular to AC, as tangent, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, one is normal and the other is tangent, and then they make an angle of 90 degrees. Each line will have its own gradient, different gradient, the gradient of the normal and the gradient of the tangent. Both have a relationship. We use M symbol to represent gradient. So the gradient of the normal and the gradient of the tangent. If we call the gradient of the normal M normal and the gradient of the tangent M tangent, the relationship between M normal and M tangent is M normal times M tangent equals minus 1. Now we'll find AC gradient M normal. AC gradient. A has its own coordinate, which is minus 2, 4, and that is x1 and y1 because it's point 1. C has its own coordinate, 5, 5, and that's point number 2. So we call that x subscript 2, y subscript 2. Y2, which is 5, y1, which is 4, x2, which is 5, x1, which is minus 2. We plug those values in here. So that's 5 minus 4 and 5 minus 2. And that equals 1 over 7. Therefore, M normal, the gradient of the normal, is 1 over 7. To find the gradient of BC, M tangent, n minus 2 is the coordinate. This is x1, y1, 5, 5 for C. This is x2, y2. We also know that the gradient of the tangent here has a relationship to the gradient of normal, and that is, we can write that as M tangent will be equal to minus 1 over M normal. So I've just rearranged this equation, divide both sides by mn, and that's why I get mt equals minus 1 over M normal. We know what M normal is. So that is minus 1 over 7, and that is minus 7. So M tangent is minus 7. So now we know M tangent equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals minus 7. So we plug those values in here, into here, and then we can work out n. After plugging the values in, 5 minus 2 over 5 minus n equals minus 7. 7 over minus 7 equals 5 minus n. I just swap these two here. I just swap that for that, and I swap that to that. And that's what we get. And for that reason, we get minus 1 equals 5 minus n. If we take n to the other side, I get n equals, and I take minus 1 to the other side, I get n equals 5 plus 1, n equals 6. And that proves what we've been asked to show. And that shows that n equals 6, n equals 6.